beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Candy JB. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today on this tutorial, we're going to do a foundation application for beginners. So first, you need to get your tools, and before we get started, kindly ensure you consider subscribing to my channel, show some love, leave what you think about my video in the comment section down below. And also, if you like my video, do not forget to leave a thumbs up. Thank you, and let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a primer. As you can see, I have already done my eye makeup off camera because today's video is simply foundation application tutorial. So this is the foundation that I'll be using, Candid. I'll be mixing Candid and Superstay Maybelline in the shade 338. This is just for the sake of getting my perfect shade. And Candid is in the shade 530. So I have already moisturized my skin, and now I'm going in with my primer, the Maybelline Prime Studio. Just tapping it into my skin, tap 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 tap. Also, guys, don't forget to prime your neck. So this is what I use to moisturize my skin. Yes, I used to moisturize my skin, my neck, and also my lips. Never forget to moisturize your lips as well. Also, another requirement will be the concealer and blending sponge. So here is my mix. I've mixed my two foundations, the Candid and Superstay. So when you're going in with the foundation, do not it's never advisable to start a fresh product right under your eye, the under eye. So start with the below part of your face as you go up. And before I forget this, remember to use a wet blending sponge. It helps in blending in the product nicely and smoothly, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna see the difference if you're using a dry brush and a wet blending sponge. So the technique we're using here is just to tap in the product, tap in the foundation, tap it in to your skin, your face. So we're going for a natural look. We don't want to look like we're wearing pounds and pounds of makeup, which is actually a very good thing. But then for this particular tutorial video, this is a natural look for beginners. Just ensure you take your time, do not rush it, tap it in, blend it in nicely. So next up, we'll be highlighting our face, and you need a Pro Concealer. We're using Pro Concealer Illegal in the shade Fawn. So highlight your under eye. Both your under eyes. Sorry guys, I was looking for my mirror. Oh goodness. Yes, highlight your under eye, middle parts of your nose, the chin, and the top of your lips. This, yes. Then go in with your wet sponge and just tap in the product. So in this video, I'm using very minimal products. Next up, we're going into the setting powder. So after you finished applying your concealer, take your setting powder, just highlight the under eye, the same place. This is for highlighting purposes. So the same place, the same areas you had highlighted with your concealer is the same places you'll be highlighting with your setting powder. And the setting powder is SACHA or SACHA, Buttercup. So guys, after I have highlighted my under eye, my nose area, my chin, and so I'm going in with my finishing powder brush to just blend everything in, to just give it that final look. With the same technique, just tapping it in, tap everything in. So in this video I'll not be using a finishing powder. I'll just tap in everything, tap it in, tap everything in. Next up, I'll be doing a setting spray. I'm a big fan of LA Girl products, so I'm using LA Girl setting spray just to help set in everything. As you know, so far I love highlighters, yes. So I'm just highlighting the areas that the light will be hitting, when you give that smile and get, and pose for a photo. Pose, girl, you gotta pose. So that is what I'm doing. Minimal products. Remember, highlight is just for the sake of the when you're under the light. I mean, when it just looks amazing. Your chins, your cheeks are popping. Not everyone likes highlighters, but I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. So I normally highlight my cheeks, my cheekbone, and and also I highlight my nose area, the middle part, and the tip of my nose with my small finger. Yes, as you can see. Ooh girl, I'm loving it. That is amazing. Yes, and as you can see from the reflection of the products that I've used on my face, it's very minimal, very minimal. So at this point you can leave out the highlighter. It's absolutely your preference, your choice. Yeah, you do what you feel like, do what makes you smile. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, show your girl some love, and leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my video, and I am so grateful. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao. See y'all in my next video.